In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a demo account in Expert Option. Now, the first thing you have to do here on their official website, you want to click on Try Free Demo down here at the bottom left. And when you click this over here, you'll be able to register for an account. So when you click on register, you want to put in your email and the password you want to use. You want to accept their conditions and stuff like that and press open account. Now, alternatively, you could also sign up using Facebook, Google, or Apple ID. So if you prefer any of these methods, you could just go ahead, click on any of these buttons and actually sign up. Now, when you do this, your account will be created together with your demo account. Okay, so this is going to look like this. You're going to get the access to your dashboard here, and to actually open the demo account, simply click on up top where it says real balance, and then you can switch over to your demo account where by default you will have 10k USD on there, and then you'll be able to of course go ahead and demo trade, and that's pretty much how you do it. So you can just switch over from demo to real up top and then use it for demo trading. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.